What's he doing? Me? I am desoldering some Gateron clears out of this Jane 2 CE. And then we're gonna open them up and lube them up. And then mod them. We're probably not gonna finish modding them today. We're gonna probably finish on Friday, so. Okay, something feels a little off. Let's clean this up. There we go. All right, last one on this row. All done with this row at least. And then of course we take a small little break. Oh, thank you for the titties. Oh, there's also a new sound if you donate like more than $1 basically, which you might hear if somebody donates more than $1. You missed that as well. I showed all this stuff at the beginning of the stream, but you weren't here, buddy. What keyboard keycap am I most excited about at the moment? For keycap, I'm interested in GMK Civilization. For keyboard, I don't know. Not really sure. Yeah, and there go my frames. Are you back? Okay, it's back. I'm not sure about keyboards. There isn't too many keyboards I'm actually super interested in currently. Yeah, the frames are doing me hella dirty. I think it might be an international routing problem. Alright, let's get back to it. We've got this row and then the bottom row. Should be easy. Alright, so this row right here, starting here, and moving all the way down. Am I excited about GMK, Greg? I didn't know. You better be. I'm buying all the kits. Is it actually happening? Scheduled for December? How does a key set like that even hit or like pass IC? Like, I'm not saying it's bad, but it's like, it's not great. TX is running it? God damn it. Wait, is like American TX, is it Popcorn? Is Popcorn running it? Or is it real TX? Is it Kin? Bro, the desk mat is the best. So the keycap came after the desk mat? Yeah, the desk mat came first, and nobody understands where it came from. Or why it came from. Or how it came from. I agree the best mat is the best. Yes, the best mat is the best. Alrighty, all we have left is the bottom row, so we'll just start here and work our way backwards. Oh. Hey. Fuck, I forgot to cancel this. Baited. Simon, if you were able to design a GMK set, what color combo would it be? I am already working on a GMK set. So you will see. Okay, my thing is being really weird and I don't like it. Give me a moment. I need something longer. There we go. Does it have 4 ISO in the base kit? It will definitely have a fair amount of ISO in the base kit. Fixing the southpaw? Nope, not yet. I do not have the USB port replacements yet. If you make an IC, who's going to review the IC? Me. I'm still gonna review the IC, and I'm gonna make so much fun of myself. Nobody is safe from my criticism, especially not me. The moderator team will have to step in and newspaper Simon. I'm okay with that as well. How does GMK Greg not have Chinese sub-legends? Right? See? Now you're talking. Now you're thinking with portals. Alrighty. Oops. I pressed it twice. Alright. Let's see how many of these we can actually pull out. Let's make sure everything is actually desoldered because I'm usually really shit at this. I always forget like a whole bunch of switches. So we're gonna validate.